Welcome again to Fun with Maths. Here's a nice problem. Square root of 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 12 is what? So here's the solution. First is, we can let square root of 2 plus 1 be equal to m. So m to the power of 12 is what? So now, square root of 2 plus 1 is equal to m. Let's take 1 to the other side. So on the left side, we're left with square root of 2 equals m minus 1. Now for this, we are going to square both sides so that we can remove the radical. So square and square. So this is now cancelled. We left here with 2 equals this m minus 1 whole to the power of 2. To expand this, let's follow the identity. A minus b whole to the power of 2 is also equal to a squared minus 2 times a times b, that is 2ab, and then negative b squared, that is plus b squared. So for this to expand, this is now m squared minus 2 times m times 1, that is 2m, and then negative 1 squared, that is plus 1. Next, this minus 2m plus 1, let's take this to the other side. So this is now 2 plus 2m minus 1 equals, we left here with m squared. So 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus 2m equals m squared. Now, this is our equation 1. We have 1 plus 2m is equal to m squared. Or using the commutative property, this is m squared equals 1 plus 2m. For this, we can square both sides. So square and then square. So m squared to the power of 2, that is m to the power of 4, equals. Here to expand, let's use the identity. So this is how we expand an identity. A minus b whole to the power of 2 is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So for this, 1 squared, that is 1, plus 2 times 1 times 2m, that is 4m, and then 2m squared, that is plus 4m squared. Now next is m to the power of 4 is equal to, for this, we have m squared. We know that m squared is our equation 1, and that is equal to 1 plus 2m. So we can substitute this here. So this is now 1 plus 4m plus 4 times 1 plus 2m. And this is now m to the power 4 equals 1 plus 4m plus 4 times 1, that's 4. 4 times 2m, that is 8m. So plus 8m. Next is, we can combine like terms. So m to the power of 4 equals, let's start with the number with variable. So 4m plus 8m, that is 12m. And then 1 plus 4, that is 5. So plus 5. Now, this is our second equation. M to the power of 4 is equal to 12m plus 5. Now, next is, we have the first and the second equation. What we can do is, let's multiply the two equations. So starting with the left side, and then next is the right side. So this is now m squared times m to the power of 4 equals 1 plus 2m times 12m plus 5. And the next is, for the left side, if we multiply a power with the same base, we can add a power, and that is m to the power of 6 equals. Here, we can use the FOIL method to multiply. So now first, 1 times 12m, that is 12m. Outer, 1 times 5, that is 5, plus 5. Inner, that is 2m times 12m, that is plus 24m squared. Last is 2m times 5, that is plus 10m. Next, combine like terms. So m to the power of 6 equals, let's start with m squared. Let's bring down 24m squared. Now, 12m plus 10m, that is plus 22m. Next, plus 5. So we have m to the power of 6 is equal to 24m squared plus 22m plus 5. Now, we have the m squared. And we know that we have the value for this on our first equation, and that is 1 plus 2m. So let's substitute this here. So m to the power of 6 equals 24 times 1 plus 2m plus 22m plus 5. Now let's multiply this. 24 times 1, that is 24. 24 times 2m, that is 48m, or plus 48m. Then plus 22m plus 5. Now, combine like terms. So m to the power of 6 equals 48m plus 22m, that is 70m. 24 plus 5, that is 29. So plus 29. Now, we can square both sides. Square and then square. So this is now m to the power of 12 because 6 times 2 is 12. Then equals, for this, let's use the identity to expand to 70m squared. 70m to the power of 2. And then plus 2 times 70m times 29. And then last 29 squared. So plus 29 squared. So this is m to the power of 12 equals 70m to the power of 2 is 4,900 m squared. And then 2 times 70m times 29, that is plus 4,060 m. And then 29 squared, that is 841. So plus 841. Now we have the m squared. And the equivalent of m squared is 1 plus 2m. So m to the power of 12 equals 4,900 times 1 plus 2m plus 4,060m plus 841. Now let's multiply this. So this is now m to the power of 12 equals 4,900 times 1, that is 4,900. 4,900 times 2m, that is 9,800m. So plus 9,800m. And copy plus 4,060m plus 841. Now combining like terms. So m to the power of 12 equals, let's start with a number with a variable. So 9,800m plus 4,060m is equal to 13,860m plus 4,900 plus 841 is 5,741. Now next is, let's recall that earlier we let m be equal to square root of 2 plus 1. So instead of writing m, let's write square root of 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 12 equals 13,860 times square root of 2 plus 1 plus 5,741. Now let's multiply. So this is square root of 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 12 equals 13,860 times square root of 2, that is 13,860 square root of 2, plus 13,860 times 1, that is 13,860, plus this 5,741. And the next, square root of 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 12 equals, let's bring down 13,860 square root of 2. And then let's add 13,860 plus 5,741. That is equal to plus 19,601. And this is our final answer. Again, square root of 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 12 is equal to 13,860 square root of 2 plus 19,601. Therefore, square root of 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 12 is equal to 13,860 square root of 2 plus 19,601. That's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.